Hey developers, how are you doing guys? Welcome back to Developers. My name is Amin. Today I'm going to talk about arrays and work with them in UseState, the first hook in React.js. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and stay with me until the end of the video. And of course, put like and comment for me. Now, let's go. Welcome back to the course. We have our project here, and of course this first user state application. Click on this button and we have the title here that is change. I wanna talk about arrays in React.js and using user state to control them in this video. And of course we have a project and list of people that of course we can, for example, remove an item from our list or clear all of the people from our list by clicking just once on a button. So navigate to our project. We have the source folder here and tutorial. Go for user state and setup. We have the file here, user state array. As you can see, we are importing the second file, user state basics. I want to change it to this third one, user state arrays. And when I save app.js, we have user state array example array that is here in this heading. As you can see, we have some file import here, data. When we navigate to data, we have an array here that contains ID and name. These properties, we are going to use them in our list. So today I'm going to start with user state here. As you can see, I'm going to write const an array, start with people, and it's equal to, as you can see, there is no import of user state here. I want to use the other way that you can use user state in your project, that is react.userstate. We can fill it with an empty array, but as I said, we want to use data for our user state. So now I want to start with iterating my array, my people here, remove this heading 2 and use React fragment here, as you know, to prevent using div subs here, using curly braces to iterate our array by map method. As you know, we have map method, and I want to write person here for each and every item in our array to make it meaningful. And we have return here. If I write heading 2 hello world, we have 4 hello world here. Depends on the count of data in our array. We have 4 and we have 4 hello worlds. So I want to use working with the data in our people array. So first I want to destruct my person, contains ID and name. It's equal to person, writing here a div class name of item in our index CSS, and it contains a unique property that is key, and it's equal to ID. And in our div we have heading 1 using the name here. When I save it, we have a list that contains 4 names, so I'm gonna make it smaller, heading 4 using here, and we have 4 names for div that is our list. And as I said, I want to work with them and using 2 buttons. First is make our array empty. The second one is about removing our list items individually. So I start with clearing all the items in our array. I start with a button here. As you know, we have button, clear items. We have class name, btn type button here. When I save it, we have clear items button here, but there is no onclick for our button. We have it here. We can passing some function to our onclick. I wanna put set people here and make it empty, fill it with empty array. So when I've saved this project and click on this button, we have nothing in our list. I save it, and we have a problem here. As you can see, there is a big fat error because we don't use array function before our function in our onClick. When I save it, we can use this button, and when I click on it, there is nothing on our web browser. Refresh our application, and again it works. The other button that I want to use in our application is using a button for each of these div in our list to remove them individually. So I want to put here button that is remove, and when I save it, we have remove button here for each person name in our list. So I want to put some onClick handler for our button that is remove item. Use our function for our remove item, and as you know, for removing each of these div in our list, we should passing something individually for each of them. That should be the unique property in our array and its ID. So we should passing some ID to our function, and we have error because there is no remove item function here. We should create it, remove item, our function, we have our remove item. So I want to pass some ID to it, and first of all I want to console log our ID. So if we go for our inspect in console, when we click on this remove button, we have the ID of John here, second one and third one and the last. We have these four IDs because we are passing the ID to our remove item. So now start working with this ID. So we should put our set people something related to our ID, but before that I wanna create a new array called new people, and it's equal to, I wanna filter something in our people array, like this people dot filter. It's like map method, as you can see, for each and every person. We have this here, and it's equal to person ID, not equal to that ID we have. We have a new array that is filling with our previous array, our people, that is without any person with this particular ID. We are separating this particular ID from our main array and fill new people with that. So we should use new people in our set people, and when I save the project and click on each of these remove button, for example on these, we are removing Peter or John or all of them. So it was all about arrays, and use arrays in our React.js application with UseState, the first hooks in React.js. We are at the end of our video today. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and of course put like and comment for me and support me, and of course share my video. Be nice, guys. Farewell, developers.